Now, this is how you can rearrange apps on the Android. So let's get started. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So if you are on the home screen, for example, and you want to rearrange the apps, all you have to do is to hold it down somewhere, especially on a place where there aren't any apps or anything, and you are going to get to the edit page. So we have the ability right here to perform some changes to the themes, wallpapers, widgets, and some settings and so on, right? So if you click on the settings, you can change the apps screen grid and the folder grid and the stuff, where you can place the icons. But more specifically, you can just move the apps by holding down on them and just dragging them to another place. You can slightly notice the grid right there showing up so you can see which place it can go to. That's why I've shown you the grid settings beforehand, but that's like the important part. You can as well do the same thing inside of the folders and so on, right? So that's definitely something that you can do. So that is what you have the ability to proceed with. Keep in mind that in some very specific cases, for example, on my folding device, you can see that it kind of behaves differently on the open screen of the device, and it's completely different when I close it. So that's kind of a specific use case, but mostly it's going to stay as it is as long as you rearrange the apps and widgets the way that you want. It shouldn't really disappear or go back to the original state as it was before. It should be just permanent from this point. But that's basically everything that I wanted to show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. If you have some more suggestions or some things you want to see, just let me know, and I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.